Hello everyone. In the previous class we have learned complete WordPad. In this class we are going to learn a small project in WordPad, that is resume. Let me learn how to create resume. Before going to create a resume we have some settings. First option, go to file, click a new to get a blank document and zoom it. Second option, go to save as and you can create a name of resume and you can type resume and click on save. Third way, go to file, click on page setup and choose here paper size A4, orientation, portrait and margin all side 1 inches. Click on OK. Fourth way, go to font, choose Cambria, type in keyboard and choose it here Cambria font and increase font size 12 size. Okay. And fifth size, go to tabs, click on tabs and your tab stop position 0.5, set 3, set 3.5, set OK. Okay, we have made some settings. Now you can type resume and I am going to type like name. I am going to press tab, hold shift and colon, then type Bhaskar D and you can type father apostrophe, father's name Dodda Rangegowda and date of birth 26/11/1986. You can type your date of birth and your name, your father name. Nationality Indian. Gender male. Marital status married. Education, qualification, MCom, computer skills, DMA, address. Normally if you type enter, it will take a space between line. Come back by backspace. If you press shift enter, it won't come, like it will come single line only. Okay, I am going to type here Hosa Road, Electronic City, post, shift enter, Bangalore 560100. You can add some more also here. Example number 461, 4th Cross, CK Nagar, Hosa Road. You can add some more also. And again keep it here, enter. And here languages noun, Kannada, English and Hindi. You can add more also like Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam, Odia, Bengali, Marathi, as you wish. And next here you can add hobbies, singing songs and playing games. Then declaration, you can enter press tab. I hereby declare that all the above information is furnished true to the best of my knowledge. Then you can type here thanking you date. We can mention the date, and we can mention the place. I'm going to mention Bangalore, and you can type Bhaskar D. Now we have finished the content. Scroll up. I'm going to choose the heading. I'm going to make a bold, underline and center, and scroll down. I'm going to choose declaration, bold, underline and Bhaskar. Select bold and italic. If you want to see, so zoom less, hold Ctrl and scroll mouse down. Now your resume visible properly. I want to keep it permanently here. Go to file and click on save.